beautiful day you be with you.
Happy moment.
Yeah. This one, our cousin, Leslie Joy. Talk.
Tingnan mo yung kutsura ko sa ako.
Dito, magsalita ka. Talk.
Malapitan niya.
Magpasalamat ka na ba yung kakagab ka? Aats na to tama.
Thank you for the happy moment you shared to us.
Yeah.
Thanks.
We will miss you.
Thanks for
We will
everything.
miss you.
Take care of yourself. Back to Japan. Take care of
Oh,
yourself.
sexy.
Come back again.
Yeah.
Take care of
And this video for world people.
Take care of yourself, ha? Yeah.
Okay. Message.
Tita! Tita, halika, tita!
Anong sasabihin?
Tita! Okay, video this woman.
Oh.
Hello. Welcome to Philippines. Hello, tita.
Magpakilala ka, dali. Magpakilala ka.
16 years old, ganun tang.
Magpakilala ka.
Oh, may tita. Tita.
This beautiful lady.
Hi. Hello, thank you. Arigato. You're welcome here.
We will miss you.
We will miss you always, you know. I miss you so much. Very much.
Kachat mo siya. Parang kachat niya.
Wow.
Wow, very sexy. It's so
Very
hot.
Mag-sexy ka man ng ano makatawan sexy.
It's so hot.
Thank you. Arigato.
Ano yun? Napapadod ka sa TV agad-agad. Okay.